Hey guys, we have a goal to write a narrative with purpose as I use effective techniques like details and sequence of events in first person point of view. That will actually be our goal for the entire week as we do our journal entries. Now, the question though is, what do you know about the Battle of Princeton? We read it in social studies, but we really need to now dig a little deeper as we write our journal entry. So think about what do you know about the Battle of Princeton? So if you don't remember much of it, you can watch the video here, which I highly recommend that you watch. And then if you don't if you need more information, you can also read about it in this link right here that will take you to more information about the Battle of Princeton. So after you watch and read, you also, in your reading, make sure that you only read the first two paragraphs. The rest addresses a different war and information that you don't need at this time. So after you get that information and that refresher in your mind, we are going to go into our interactive notebook and write a journal entry for today. It is December of 1776 during the Battle of Princeton. So make sure that your setting, your when is there. You need to figure out where the Battle of Princeton happened so you can have your where. And you're going to write in first person point of view as a soldier, either serving as a redcoat or as a patriot. So now you've chosen which one to be. So you need to stay the same. You can't just switch to a redcoat one day and then be another soldier, a patriot soldier the other day. You're going to continue to be the same person. So make sure that you keep that. Describe how it would have been like using your five senses. So again, your entry can start at any point of the war, either in the beginning, the middle, or the end towards that battle. And then you're going to write a paragraph long with at least 7 well-written sentences. At least 7. That's a requirement for this one. That doesn't mean that a paragraph is that long. In most cases, it isn't. But in this case, it should be at least 7 well-written sentences. If you want to write more, you're more than welcome to. So make sure that your writing takes the reader to the place, and make sure that you, again, introduce your characters, your settings, and you follow the plot. So make sure that you go to day 6 in your journal entries from a soldier notebook. Then you can type right here, follow the rubric to make sure that you're meeting all of the needs for the lesson today. And then do your cups. Make sure that you have that capitalization, that understanding, the punctuation, and the spelling. We really need to make sure that we understand what we read, because sometimes as a teacher, it's really hard to understand what you're saying because you're not proofreading. So make sure to do that. And once you do that, you're ready to go.